What if your African folktale character could come alive and transform into anything you imagine? A mermaid, a mystical creature, or even a skeleton magically coming to life? The possibilities are endless. Here's a stylized fictional AI animation inspired by African folktale. African folktales are full of magic, mystery, drama, and emotion. And bringing those stories to life with AI is one of the best ways to stand out. Today, African folktales are no longer limited to storytelling alone. You can now turn them into stunning AI films that capture attention and earn views. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to animate and transform your characters scene by scene using multiple AI tools. And the best part? It's completely free to get started, even if you've never animated before. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any part of this tutorial. If that sounds good to you, let's dive in and bring your folktale characters to life. First, let me show you how to animate your African folktale character, step by step. Don't just drop a long, complicated prompt into a 6 seconds video generator. Instead, animate your character scene by scene, then bring the clips into your editing app and combine them, and it becomes a complete video. There are many platforms you can use: Kling AI, Hawilo AI, Vidu, Dreaminia, and more. They support start and end frames and can fill in the frames in between. For this demo, we'll use one simple tool. With a well-detailed prompt and a reference image, this platform can animate and transform your character into anything you want. So, let's head over to Grok AI. It's a powerful tool with endless possibilities. Just be creative and use a detailed prompt. I already have an image, so I'll click on Imagine, upload the image I want to animate, pasting the first prompt representing the first action in the scene, and hit Generate. Let's wait a moment. By the way, if your image auto-animates, just go to your profile, then Settings, then Behavior, and turn off Enable Automatic Video Generation. That's it! The video is ready. And look at this! Grok AI made her hold a smartphone exactly as the prompt described, even though it wasn't in the original image. You don't need multiple images for different scenes. With a single image, you can animate your character to act however you want in the same scene or another, using frame references for smooth continuity. Before moving on to the next action, for continuity, just play the video to the end, right-click the final frame, and copy it. Then, paste it back into Imagine. This becomes your reference frame for the next scene. Paste your prompt and hit Generate. Wow! It looks amazing! If the character doesn't say the dialogue perfectly the first time, don't worry, just regenerate. I tried it again, and this time she delivered the dialogue perfectly.
That's adorable.
For the final animation in this scene, let's make her stand and sit on another couch. Use the same process. Copy the last frame, paste it into Imagine, paste your prompt, and hit Generate. Wow! She walks naturally and sits on the next couch. Next, open your browser and search for Meta AI. Sign in with your Facebook, Instagram, or email account, or create one if you don't have any. Once you're inside, you'll see the interface. You can explore all the features later, but for this demo, we'll focus on animating our character. Click Create, then switch from image to video using the drop-down below the chat box. Upload your photo, paste your prompt, and hit Animate. Hold on while it's processing. If you're already enjoying this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and stay connected. In my next video, I'll share tricks for creating beautiful African folktale images, just like the ones we're using here. Let's check out the video. Wow, it's beautiful and crystal clear. Let's try another one. Same process, upload, paste prompt, hit Animate, and done. The visuals are clean and stunning, and the best part, it's free for now. To add music, click Add Music, select your track, and Meta AI will regenerate the video with the music applied. The video is ready. Play it and enjoy. Just remember to check copyright terms for any music you use. Now, let's transform your character into anything, maybe a mystical creature or something imaginative. We'll go back to Grok AI. Click Imagine, upload the image, paste the prompt, and hit play. The result is magical. She stares while smiling, then transforms into a mystical creature, all done smoothly. If your prompt has too many actions, just break it down and animate scene by scene using frame references, just like we did with the initial image. Another great tool is Kling AI. Sign up with your Google account. And once inside, you will see free monthly credits, 166, that you can use for image generation, video generation, avatars, lip sync, and more. I usually reserve Kling credits for special animations. It's very powerful. For this demo, we'll focus on video generation using the latest 2.5 turbo model. I'll transform a skeleton into a human, all in a magical AI-generated way. Start by uploading your start frame, the skeleton, and your end frame, the human. Paste a detailed prompt to avoid wasting credits. Set the duration to 5 seconds, 10 seconds for prose, and hit Generate. Wow! Look at that. The transformation is smooth and magical. You can also reverse it, human to skeleton, or try other platforms like Hawilo AI, Daijin, Vidu AI, Dreamina AI. They all allow similar AI-powered transformations, giving you endless creative possibilities. I hope you got tons of value from this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share with other creators. Stay connected because in my next video, I'll show you tricks for creating beautiful African folktale images. Until next time, keep shining, keep creating, and keep growing. Thanks for watching.